You see, this is what we came for. This is the main temple. Hello people, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Today is the 2nd of Jan 2025. The time is 6:40. I think she's in the washroom. She's taking bath. We have our bus at 7 o'clock in 20 minutes. I mean, our cab is in 20 minutes, bus is in 40 minutes. So today we'll be heading to Kathmandu. This is how the weather is. It's all cold. I've actually gotten used to this weather, say that. So currently the weather is 8 degrees in Pokhara. It's the same bus journey that we took while coming to Pokhara. About 7 to 8 hours depending on traffic conditions again. Yeah, nothing much to vlog. We'll just go to the bus stop. I'll show you the bus. We'll start our journey. We'll reach Kathmandu. So that's the last of Pokhara for us as we head to the tourist bus stop. Not even 5 minutes. Go, drop the bag, put the bus sign. This green one is the bus that we'll be taking to Kathmandu today. It was booked by our hotel agent. Basically, hotel guys also do bookings here. They're basically travel agents also. Cabs, hotels, bungee, everything was done by him. Today we are having puri and what is this? Sahul. What curry? Puri and curry. You know how much is this? This puri and curry costs 180 Indian. Okay. So they stop for breakfast at 10. The time is 4:35. We were dropped off at this road. I don't know. Tourist bus यहीं छोड़ता है क्या? बस को? नाम क्या है यहाँ का? बस स्टेशन, टूरिस्ट बस स्टेशन.
नहीं, बालाजी बोलता है ना.
Balaji.
Balaju.
Okay, we were dropped off here. All the Pokhara buses, people were dropped off here. Taxis are here. So we got on booked on the app and we are heading to our hotel. So today's day was completely in the bus. 4 breaks he gave out, right?
Every 2 hours a break.
Every 2 hours he gave one break. First break was at 8:45, I think, and then 10:30, then 12:30, then 2:30, and 4:30 drop off. So we're at Nepal Pavilion. This is room number 201. It's like a full antique hotel. Nice. I think this is one of the cleanest stays we stayed, huh?
And the coziest.
Coziest. It feels fancy, but it's not fancy. It's nice. Fine. Freshen up. We haven't had lunch. We've only been eating snacks, tea, and all that. We'll go eat something. Today is the 3rd of January 2025. The time is 11:34 as you see it on my mobile. Yatish is down. He woke up early. He went out. I woke up late. I just got ready. So he got some samosa and jalebi with me. I just had that. Now it's time to head down. I have my flight at 5 in the evening. So I have to be at the airport by 2:30 approximately. My cab will be here at 2. I have another, how many hours? 12:30, 1:30, 2.5 hours to do some sightseeing quickly. Ciao. Yatish. Oh, Buddhanayikanta Mandir. Okay, one more last visit in Kathmandu. We missed this. Actually, I didn't know about this. Shishud was the one who told me that there is a place like this, you have to go there. That is the reason I'm going. Otherwise, I thought I'll just casually hang around here until lunch, have lunch, and head to the airport. We'll push in one more sightseeing spot. Okay, we've reached our location for today. It is Buddhanikantha temple area. This is the entrance. शूज खोल के जा सकते हैं, ऐसे ही जा सकते, सब ऐसे ही जा रहा है।
बाहर पे लिए तो ऐसे जा सकते हैं
और बाहर से ऐसे ही देख सकते हैं ना,
अंदर जाने के लिए भी खुलना चाहिए।
ओके
वहाँ खुलना नहीं
ओके नाइस बिग टेम्पल हियर. Finished our temple visit. People don't remove their slippers here for some reason. I don't know. Unless you want to go inside there, no one removes slippers. They walk with their slippers. You see, this is what we came for. This is the main temple where the god is lying flat in a pond. You enter in from there and exit this way. Just go around as we started. We'll finish the round and head back. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll show you the name. A lot of pigeons here. And other small deities as well. So this is the entrance. So yeah, Buddhanikantha temple there. One last sightseeing spot, temple in Kathmandu done. I don't think many of them come here, no? Yeah. It's about 8 to 10 kilometers from the town. This is the entrance. It's not that crowded. Buddhanikantha, correct no? Neelkantha. Sorry, I missed out the L. So it's called Buddhanikantha temple. Okay, let's head back to Tamil. We actually requested the cab driver to wait and drop us back. So he said even he'll come to the temple and his darshan is also done. So we'll get dropped in the same cab. Back where we started. The time is 12:40. So we should reach there by 1:30. I would like to have one last Himalayan Java coffee before I leave. So that is on my to-do list also for today. I spotted one just by the street corner there. We'll go there, have one coffee and then pack up. Okay, I'm all set. Dude, where's your backpack? Dude, dude, you know.
I love Kathmandu. I'll stay here.
Bugger likes the hotel, he likes this place also. He's not leaving. My cab has come down, so I'm heading to the airport. It's a very nice place. You want some cheap accommodation in Tamil? You can check out Nepal Pavilion. I would recommend this place. See? Such a beautiful place. Huh? Badla.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy birthday again.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Enjoy Kathmandu. Huh? Serious Bhagat. See you in Bangalore soon, it seems now.
9-1.
This time we'll meet in Bangalore because of Srinivas. So we owe him a bag. That time I'll come and meet. We'll all catch up there. Don't do too much masti. You're alone in Kathmandu.
That's why I'm saying no.
Too much masti कर रहा है.
कल का दूसरा
हाँ?
दोस्त कितने कब जा
दोस्त कब निकले? कल निकलेगा.
कल मेरा है ना
हाँ. कल आएगा.
हाँ
See you. So like that, my ABC trek, Nepal trip comes to a close. Not yet. I still have to reach Bangalore. I have my flight. I have to change over in Delhi and then reach Bangalore until tonight.